Hello children, today let us learn History Chapter 2, our Karnataka. Children, do you know which is our country? Yes, it's India. And we are Indians. Which is our state? Our state is Karnataka. And we are Kannadigas. The people who live in Karnataka and speak Kannada are called Kannadigas. Let us learn about the administrative divisions of Karnataka. Which is our state? Our state is Karnataka. Our state, Karnataka, has a history of 2000 years. Many parts of our state have prehistoric Stone Age sites. Children, what do you mean by prehistoric Stone Age? Children, it is the age or the period during which people did not know to read and write. The period or the age during which people did not know to read and write is called prehistoric Stone Age. During that period, people used stone weapons, stone tools to cut the trees or to hunt the animals and other purposes. In Karnataka, in our state, there are many sites or places where the people of prehistoric Stone Age lived. Historians have identified such sites, such places in the various parts of our state Karnataka. In order to facilitate better administration, Karnataka is divided into 4 revenue divisions. In order to provide good administration, better administration, Karnataka, our state, is divided into how many revenue divisions? 4 revenue divisions. Which are they? They are Bengaluru division, Mysore division, Belagavi division and Kalaburgi division. The map. Observe the map. Here you can see Bengaluru division, which is shaded in blue color. Let us see how many districts are there. Ramanagar, Bengaluru urban, Kolar, Bengaluru rural, Chikkaballapura, Tumakuru, Chitradurga, Davangere and Shimoga. So total there are 9 districts in Bengaluru division. Now children, come to Mysore division. Here in Mysore division, which is shaded in pink color, it has 8 districts. They are Udupi, Dakshina Kannada, Kodagu, Mysore, Chamarajnagar, Mandya, Hasan and Chikamagaluru. Children, now come to Belagavi division. In Belagavi division, which is shaded in peach color, there are 7 districts. They are Uttara Kannada, Haveri, Gadag, Dharwad, Belagavi, Bagalkote and Vijayanagara. Now children, come to Kalaburgi division, which is shaded in olive color. How many districts are there in Kalaburgi division? There are 6 districts. They are Bidar, Kalaburgi, Yadgir, Raichur, Koppal and Bellary. Karnataka is divided into 4 revenue divisions. They are Bengaluru division, Mysore division, Belagavi division and Kalaburgi division. How many districts are there in Bengaluru division? There are 9 districts. In Mysore division, 8 districts. Belagavi division, 7 districts. And in Kalaburgi division, there are 6 districts. So, altogether, there are 30 districts in Karnataka. How many districts are there in Karnataka? There are 30 districts. Each district is headed by a deputy commissioner. We call DC, deputy commissioner, and the division is headed by a divisional commissioner. So children, who is the head of each district? Deputy commissioner. And the division is headed by a divisional commissioner. Children, name the 4 revenue divisions of Karnataka: Bengaluru division, Mysore division, Belagavi division and Kalaburgi division. Children, do you know which is the capital of Karnataka? Yes children, it is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is one of the administrative divisions of Karnataka. There are 9 districts in this Bengaluru division. They are Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru Rural, Kolar, Chikkaballapur, Ramnagar, Tumkur, Chitradurga, Davangere and Shivamogga. Children, come to the map. Observe there Bengaluru Urban, Bengaluru Rural, Ramnagar, Kolar, Chikkaballapur, Tumkur, Chitradurga, Davangere and Shivamogga. Total, there are 9 districts in Bengaluru division. This division, Bengaluru division, is in the southern part of Karnataka. History of Bengaluru. Bengaluru has a history as rich as Karnataka. The earliest rulers who ruled in Karnataka were from Ganga dynasty and their capital was Kualalapura, which at present it is called as Kolar. So the earliest rulers who ruled Karnataka were Gangas. After the decline of the Gangas, the areas came under the rule of the Cholas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagar kings, Marathas, Mysore kings and Bijapur's Adil Shahis. So the earliest rulers were Gangas. After them Cholas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagar kings, Marathas, Mysore kings and Adil Shahis of Bijapur ruled this Bengaluru region. During the rule of Vijayanagara Empire, Palyagara or administrative chieftains were appointed to administer different regions. These regions were called Palyapattus. The regions which were under the administration of Palyagaras or administrative chieftains during Vijayanagara Empire were called as Palyapattus. Palyagaras were the leaders or the Nayakas and reported to the Vijayanagar kings. They had to submit tax and gifts to Vijayanagar kings. Some of the important Palyapattus were Keladi, Chitradurga, Yelahanka and Chikkaballapura. Children, name some of the Palyapattus: Keladi, Chitradurga, Yelahanka and Chikkaballapura were some of the important Palyapattus. What were Palyapattus? Palyapattus were the regions which were under the administration of the Palyagaras. Who were Palyagaras? Palyagaras were the leaders who had to look after the administration of different regions. They were appointed by Vijayanagar kings. In today's video, you have learned what are the different revenue divisions of Karnataka. Children, which are the different revenue divisions of Karnataka? Bengaluru division, Mysore division, Kalaburgi division and Belagavi division. Children, which is the capital of Karnataka? It is Bengaluru. How many districts are there in Bengaluru division? There are 9 districts. Children, in the next video, you will learn about natural resources, forests, wild animals and national parks of Bengaluru division. Thank you, children.